The world's mightiest river, a home to the bizarre and the beautiful, an inland ocean that teems with life, a mysterious place that is home to more creatures than anywhere else on Earth. Under this endless canopy, the epic story of life and death continues to unfold with each new discovery. Welcome to Amazonia. This strange wonderland is filled with riddles. Sea creatures thrive over 1,000 kilometers inland. Giant species take on fantastic proportions in a parallel universe where birds can dive and fish fly. Deserts stretch beneath water. Trees wade through rivers. And fruit is harvested by fish. Normal is turned inside out through the looking glass of Amazonia's water worlds. The Earth's mightiest river flows through the water worlds of Amazonia. Thousands of years ago, the Amazon flowed west to the Pacific. Now, it pours east, at least 10 times more powerful than the mighty Mississippi. Flowing for 6,000 kilometers, the Amazon forms in northwestern Brazil, where the rivers Negro and Solimões clash. For a full 24 kilometers, their jostling waters refuse to mingle. Over 1,600 kilometers downstream, the Amazon empties a fifth of all the world's available freshwater out through a mouth, over 300 kilometers wide, into the Atlantic. It's a river of extremes. It rages and recedes. It gives life and takes it away. In early summer, dunes rise from shrunken channels. Here, deep in the interior, creatures with webbed feet walk the two worlds of water and land. Giant otters. The Amazon's rarest animals thrive only in the remotest parts of the jungle. At almost 2 meters long, these giants weigh over 3 times more than other river otters and maintain their size by eating up to 4 kilos of food each day.